Hey everyone. Not more of my acquisitions. I got a lot of them, as you can see. Got a lot of acquisitions and that I'm going through and testing and shooting here. And here from Mark Welker are two SMC M48s. They don't have upper canopies, so I'd be looking for a beehive canopy, a white one preferred, of course, because I have an M36 upstairs in the loft that came with the beehive that I got from Brian Peterson, but I showed in a previous video. But here I'm showing off some M48s, 48-inch M series. So let's see what this does. I'm going to start 0 to high. See the inrush. 0.8. I did an initial test and it flies, so doesn't. Okay, let's see, get up to speed, because 0.8 is what it drew initially. It's dropping. Okay, so that's like a whole 1/10 of an amp. So that is a moderate amount of inrush right there. Okay, let's do how many watts? 79 watts. And call that a power factor of 1. All right. Let's do spin down. Bearings sound pretty good. They sound silent when I initially spun it by hand, so let's see how well this spins down. Oh. It's my decade. It's still spinning down. Still spinning down. Good bearings, that's for sure. Okay. Okay. Well, let's do the decade box and the capacitor system. And let's see where it starts. See what kind of wall control I can use on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, Okay, it's all right. I remember Dan saying about this one. He tested one himself that was rather, he said, was a pig. So I'd have to look at that video. But this one starts at 4. It starts at 4. 5. Let's see, draw. I'm gonna let it get up to speed. Okay. Not a bad low. Let's see what 6 is like. All right. Yeah, I could work with that. 7. Okay, it's a good low. Here's 8. Yeah, I'm gonna see what an 8, 12, 20 is like. If it goes over before 20, then no. So here is 8, 9, maybe 5 and 12 with this. 10. 11. 'I could use a 4, 7, 11 on here and take the slower low. 4 and then 7 being like a medium low, and then this is like a perfect backed off high right here. Here's 12. 13. Let's see if 13 makes a difference. Sort of. What? Here's 14. Maybe 6, 8, and 14, but that's already getting close to high. That this may not be the best, wouldn't be a useful speed setting. It's 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. And here's 20. Okay, so 20 doesn't go over, but it's so close to high that it would just not be a useful speed setting. It's 22, which I'm right on with high. 25. Drop to 0.71, so let's see if it really goes over or just a little bit. Doesn't really drastically go over. Let's see if I can max it out. Yeah, it just levels off. It goes a little bit over, but then it levels off, so it doesn't really hit a great resonant frequency, but it starts to put a little more current, but nothing terrible. All right, let's see what solid state variable does with this. Okay, I'm inching up. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I'm at 2 o'clock. And this could be, at this point, let's see what it does on medium low. This sounds like silent to me. Maybe not quite, but bedroom quiet. I can kind of hear a buzz, but it's so faint. Not almost silent. But definitely can be used solid state. I would use this with a variable. All right. Well, that's all I have for this one, this SMC M48. I'll be back, and I'm just going to do a quick test with the other one, and I will be right back. So keep on watching and subscribing.